So this being the last week of the Star Wars Art Challenge, I thought I would go out with a bang. So I hope you liked my little movie trailer. So this month-long Star Wars themed art challenge was put on by Sarah's Art Gallery over on Instagram, so I will link her Instagram below. And last week we had to draw a person or robot from Star Wars, and I did cute Baby Yoda. So if you missed that, you can click on the link above and see how I made out. Now this one was tricky. We had to come up with our own character, but based on the Star Wars theme. So I was thinking there are a lot of strong female characters in the Star Wars franchise. What would happen if they all morphed into one? That would be some awesome girl power. So I decided to combine Queen Amidala, Captain Phasma, Princess Leia, Ahsoka Tano, and Rey Skywalker all into one. So if you can see here in the picture, I have Queen Amidala's iconic face with her white makeup and her crown, and I also have Captain Phasma's body armor on the bottom of my character. I have Princess Leia's cinnamon buns on her hair and also her white tunic at the top. I have Ahsoka Tano's earpieces, or I'm not sure exactly what they're called, the blue and white striped, and Rey Skywalker's weapon and tunic. So I put them all together and created my own character called Queen Phasma of Leia Tano Rey. Let me know in the comment section below what you think. And remember to stay tuned to the end of the video so you can see my character go on a few of her own galactic adventures. And also, just a reminder about the Summer Movie Challenge. I will put a list at the end of this video with all of the rules and movies I've chosen. So please check out my Patreon page below if you would like to support my channel. And just a reminder for this June Summer Movie Challenge that your DIY or art project must be in the theme of the movie, and you need to explain in your video how that theme is reflected. You must be subscribed to my channel and mention the collaboration and playlist in your video. You should also link my channel in your description box. Please upload your video at 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on the day of the movie. You can do one or as many as you like. For people to find your video, you need to put the correct hashtag in your title, and I will list those in the description box below. I also give a shout out to everyone who participates. So here is the lineup. These movies are going to be on Wednesdays and Fridays. So June the 2nd is National Lampoon's Vacation with Chevy Chase. June the 4th is Blue Hawaii with Elvis. June the 9th is The Great Outdoors with John Candy and Dan Aykroyd. June 11th is Grease with Olivia Newton-John and John Travolta. June 16th is Splash with Tom Hanks and Daryl Hannah. June 18th is Point Break with Patrick Swayze and Keanu Reeves. June 23rd is Summer Rental with John Candy. And finally, June 25th with Jaws and Roy Scheider. So I hope you join in the summer fun, and I can't wait to see what you come up with.